Add 2 antennas. Spray paint. Decorate the screen edge with pattern tape. Add a few half beads to make buttons. Put in your phone. Enjoy watching movies on the vintage TV. Turn any videos into an enthralling TV series. I wish it were supplied with a remote so that nothing would distract us from watching. Did you get a splinter while working? It's so tiny I can hardly see anything, but the finger is about to swell. Help! Don't worry, I've got a nano eye. Get a little lens out of a broken laser pointer. Put it into a bobby pin. Place it in front of your phone camera. Tape the pin. Point the camera at any little object to get a close-up effect. My friend doesn't get how a bobby pin, a lens, and a phone can help solve her splinter problem. I put the lens to the phone and turn on the camera. Now look at the finger through the lens. Wow! It's a real mobile microscope. I can nearly see all the bacteria on her hand. It's much easier to remove the splinter looking at the zoomed screen. Her life is saved. You can scrutinize and take pictures of ring stones, pupils, hair, textures, and other tiny details. You can read little fonts on packages. Nothing can hide from the all-seeing lens. Even small glitter turns into huge stars. It's a smart combination of science and technology. In a dark, dark room, in a dark, dark corner, a blonde girl was looking for a socket. She burned all the matches and was ready to give up, but her friend came in, turned on the light, and helped the girl. If you can't find your charger in the dark and keep missing the port on your phone, we know how to help you. Apply luminous paint to the area around the charging port. Be careful, don't let the paint get inside. Tape the area to make the edges neat and straight. This way, you'll cover the speakers to prevent the paint from getting inside. Put the luminous paint on the plastic part of the USB plug. Now, even in the dark, you'll be able to see which connects to what. Your charger is ready to be used at night. You'll see clearly how to charge your phone when it's dark. My friend loves racing games and spends hours playing racing games, but it seems her car urgently needs refueling, and I've got a special gas station. Take a foam rubber sheet. Trace your phone case. Put on a car cutout to make sure its size fits the case. The wheels should be beyond the outline. Be careful to keep the camera uncovered. Trace the car. Cut it out. Make windows from the blue foam rubber. Cut out black wheels. Hot glue the car to the case. Add the details. Wrap the charger with a red foam rubber sheet. Draw a gas pump meter. Cut out using a craft knife. Snip off the excess and hot glue. Define the details with a black marker. Put the case on your phone and plug in the charger. My friend likes the Pocket gas station, but it's still hard to find oil reserves, or at least a socket. We've got a gas station with no gas. The nearest power socket is far away. No problem, I've got a special pocket for my charger. Trace the back pocket with allowances on your old jeans. Mark off about 3 inches on top. Cut it out. Fold up and hot glue the edges. Mark a horizontal strip on top. Cut it out using nail scissors. Make little cuts. Fold the edges and hot glue. Make a rainbow on the pocket with acrylic paint. Put in your phone. Plug the charger into the socket. Hang the rainbow pocket with the phone inside. Don't worry about your phone, it's kept safe in the pocket. Did you enjoy the life hack? Write in your comments which hack or DIY you are going to use for your phone. Is it a new case or a charging pocket? Are you going to make it visible in the dark using luminous paint? Be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and click the bell. It'll let you know when a new interesting video comes out.